So it's been about 3 months since I started my YouTube channel, and I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I've been doing this for, like I said, three months or so. And, at the beginning, there were a lot of struggles. The lighting wasn't right. The sound wasn't perfect. The background was, not very good. And I kept comparing myself to other YouTubers. Their setup was so cool and so awesome. I would get frustrated. I'll create a video, hit delete. I created probably 10 videos or so, like beginning to end, and I just kept hitting delete. And I was starting to get really frustrated. I started to get down on myself, like this, I'm never gonna make these videos. This is something that I really wanted to do. So here's what I did, and here's my tip to you. If you're struggling, if you're scared, if your fear of being in front of the camera, here's my tip to you. Just get started, and don't do it well. Do it bad, and be okay with it. So here's what I did. I took my phone, which is a 6, OnePlus 6, which doesn't have a great camera. It has a pretty decent camera, but not great. And I went into a parking garage, and I sat there. I wasn't shaven, like today I'm not shaven, and my hair was all over the place, probably even worse than today. And I just did a video. I just spoke for about a minute about things that I wanted to do, the video that I wanted to make, and just got it out of my system. Because at the end of the day, that was probably the worst video that I'm going to do. I didn't look good. The lighting was horrible. It was as low as you can get in video quality, at least for me anyways. But what happened was that I got over that fear. I got over that hurdle. I got over that, that those chains that were binding me and not letting me move forward. So here's my tip. Take your phone. Take your regular phone. Doesn't matter. Don't look for your friend's best, iPhone 11. Doesn't matter. Just get whatever you have handy. Go somewhere. Just sit somewhere where you feel comfortable and just make a video. Just talk. Don't do your makeup. Don't shave if you don't want to. Just talk for about a minute or so. Stop the video. Upload it to YouTube. Make sure it's public, and share it with your friends. Share it also with people you don't know. Hey guys, here's my first video. I know it's not perfect, but I just wanted to share it with you. You'll have a sense of relief, and you'll have a sense of accomplishment, and you'll have a sense of like, you know what, that wasn't so bad actually, and it was kind of fun. And I learned how to upload the video. I learned how to put a title, and I learned that there's tags. I learned that I have to put an image to it. Just by doing that, you'll learn the process, and you don't even need to do that. Just upload it. Don't even put a cover. It doesn't matter. And that's it. So I want to challenge you guys. For those of you that want to have a YouTube channel and just never got over the hurdle, if you just follow this idea and follow my suggestion, let me know in the comments below if it helped you. I'm willing to bet that it did. And if it does, let's join together. Let's help each other out. All right. So that's my tip for you. If you're struggling with starting a YouTube channel, try it out and let me know how it goes. I'll report back and get back to you.